Welcome the our channel. Today we how to transfer your membership dues with AARP step by step clearly. To begin transferring your membership dues with AARP, gather your current membership information. Visit the official AARP website. Log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by following the registration prompts. Locate the membership section in your account dashboard. Click on the Transfer Membership option. Fill out the required fields with your current membership details. Enter the information of the new member receiving the dues. Review the transfer request for accuracy. Submit the transfer request by clicking the designated button. You may receive a confirmation message on the screen. Check your email for an additional confirmation from AARP. Wait for a few days for processing. Keep an eye on your membership status in your account. If you encounter any issues, contact AARP customer support. Follow any further instructions provided by the support team. Your membership dues will be successfully transferred. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions regarding the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.